I know this place looks like some tropical rainforest somewhere in southern India, but actually it's a resort in Rajasthan. And guess what? They have their own waterfall, that too more than one. Welcome to Treehouse Resort, a luxurious property near Jaipur, Rajasthan, which is spread across 300 acres of pristine landscape. Today, I'll be taking you on a tour of their beautiful water bungalows and show all the other amenities that the property has to offer. The resort is near the Delhi-Jaipur highway and is about 232 kilometers from Delhi and 45.3 kilometers before Jaipur. It's an eco-friendly property and the decor of the hotel is in sync with nature. During our visit, we stayed in their water bungalows and they are absolutely insane. When you enter this overwater villa complex, it feels like that you have been transported to a tropical rainforest, as you have the sound of birds, waterfalls, and fountains all around you. The resort has 9 exclusive, ultra-modern and luxurious overwater bungalows, and all these bungalows are made out of natural materials such as wood and stone. So when you're staying in these bungalows, you get the proper cabin in the woods feeling. The rooms are quite big and spacious and have all the required amenities such as a stocked mini fridge and a hot water kettle. The cool part is all the water bungalows have their own mini waterfall so that you can hear the sound of water flowing all around you. They have a large king size bed which is quite comfortable, and they have a seating area with a glass flooring so that you can view the marine life that is living below you. They also have an outdoor patio which is facing your waterfall, and this patio is completely private so that you can enjoy your time without getting disturbed by anyone. The washroom is also quite big and spacious. They have a beautiful stone wall and a huge shower with all the required toiletries. And to top it all the water bungalows have their own private outdoor shower so that you can literally take bath under the sky. If you guys want to know the prices of these rooms, then I've added a link in the description for you all so you can go and check it out. The 2 front water bungalows face the main waterfall, so if you can, try to book either of these rooms because obviously they have the best view in the entire resort. So as the name suggests, they also have amazing treehouse rooms as well. So if you guys are looking for more information regarding that, I have added a link in the description for that as well. The resort has one main restaurant which has both a la carte and buffet option available, and the food is really tasty and delicious. They even serve traditional Rajasthani cuisine which can be a little spicy for some people, but you must give it a try. The resort offers different kind of packages with free breakfast, free lunch and even free dinner. So try to get that information before making a booking, as that can save you some money. Now let's talk about all the other facilities that the resort offers. So they have 2 separate swimming pools. This particular swimming pool was next to the treehouse rooms. But the real gem is the stunning infinity edge swimming pool which is next to the water bungalows. It's a stunning sight with lush green trees all around. When we were there, we spent the entire evening in the swimming pool because it was so refreshing and relaxing. The property also has a nature's gym for people who like to work out. Other facilities include badminton, a tennis court, a golf course, billiards room, activities room, and even a spa. The property also has a peacock bar, which is decorated with traditional Rajasthani furnitures and showpieces. The property has various different seating areas and gazebos so that guests can meditate, read a book, or just chill and relax with their friends and family. For me personally, this machan was my favorite spot because you get the best view of the entire property from here. When you're sitting here, it certainly doesn't feel like you're in the desert state of India. Treehouse Resort is an amazing property for a weekend getaway from the hustle and bustle of the city. The staff is really friendly and helpful, and they take utmost care of you. So I highly recommend this property. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.